So, welcome back, guys. It's been a while. So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon from wherever you are watching us. So, I'm here to share with us how I traded GBPUSD today. So, it's another episode of trading GBPUSD. So, as you all know, GBP is dumping. Like I said, any zone, any other block, any zone is liable to move the market. So let's stay for our 15 minutes time frame there. If you can remember, we traded this market up to this place. So this 15 minutes other block moved the market down here. Imagine the impulse. That was on Friday. That was on Friday last week. So imagine that kind of impulse. So we traded the market up to here. It was even around there. That market was even around there because this was the next supply zone. So that was where we got out. So so price came to hit our 4 hours order block. I mark it down here. Price came to hit our 4 hours order block. After price dumped, then it came to hit our 4 hours order block. As you can see, I can even see price came here to come and sweep liquidity. Price came to this area on the other time frame to come and sweep liquidity. Swept all these places. Swept all this liquidity, available liquidity right here. All this liquidity. Price came to come and sweep it. All this low. This was an FBG. So price came to come and sweep it. So now, so I marked it out. So when price hit our 4 hours order block, price created another 15 minutes buy order block, and price created on our 5-minute time frame. Price created this is just like a top-down analysis. So on our 5-minute time frame, price created a market structure shift on our 5-minute time frame. So that means that we are ready to buy. So on that same 5-minute time frame, price created a 15 minutes buy order block. On that same 4 hours buy order block, price created a 15 minutes buy order block. As you can see, I already marked it out here, 15 minutes buy order block. So price was making higher highs, higher low, higher low, higher. So I had to look for my opportunity. So price didn't want to leave any opportunity for me. The price just keep. Basically, the price hits the 4 hours order block. Price just keep buying. So like I said, I always know how to spot liquidity. I traded this market because I can see liquidity. So as price was buying, price created a 15 minutes buy order block here. So as we all know, any market like this, there's always a rally right here. So I can say this was the last low I came to break structure here. Yes, I can boldly say this was the last low I came to break structure here. So this was a more protected low. This 15 minutes buy order block is like a more protected low. So that was where I marked out my point of interest. This 15 minutes buy order block right here was my point of interest. Now, why is this my point of interest? It was that price generated liquidity around it. As you can see, this place, price was tapping this place. Price was tapping it. We have a lot of wick here inducing buyers. As you can see, like about 10 touches right here, about 10 long wicks right here. So that process was like inducing buyers. The big game players were like inducing buyers. So as you can see, when buyers were induced at this place, at this junction, when buyers were induced at this junction, and we also have sellers induced too. So there is a lot of sell orders here, right here. So price came to induce buyers. Then after taking the buyers out, after taking the buy side liquidity, then price still came to take the sell side liquidity too. So that was how I traded that market. So like I said, if you are not able to spot liquidity at your point of interest, then you are the liquidity. Yes, if you are not able to spot liquidity at your point of interest, then you are the liquidity. As you can see, we can see that there was a rally up here. So there is a 5 minutes order block right here. The price mitigated before going up. So like just make sure you spot liquidity at your point of interest before you trade. So my this trade was yesterday on Tuesday. This trade triggered on Asian session, and then we take profit before London session. So my next big plan on GBP is, as you can see, this was our buy 15 minutes buy order block. This was the last load that came to break structure. So this was the other block that caused that break of structure. So as you can see, price already mitigated it, inducing buyers already. So price already induced buyers at this place. So price already induced sellers at this place. So there's a lot of sell orders right here, and there's a lot of buy orders right here. So what do big game players do? Big game players just come out, then take out this place and then push up. So like price always needs liquidity to move. So that's the game of the market. Price always needs liquidity to move. So this is my plan on GBPUSD. So I want to put my buy order right here, because price might just come here, sweep this sell order block with a wick, and then push up again. So my next take profit will be here. Yes, that's 1:3 right here. It was 1:4 1:4 point something on this market. So this is my next big thing. This is my plan on GBPUSD. So let's see how it plays out. So thank you guys, thank you for listening to us.